Hello guys, it's me Elizabeth and I'm new at YouTube and I'm gonna be making YouTube videos. It's gonna be me and
Angie.
We're gonna be the main. I don't know, tell people. Okay. Well, we're gonna be the ones making videos. Sometimes someone's gonna be here. And we're gonna be making slime
Today.
Okay, well we got this to mix it up. A cup with water. Borax. We need borax. And
glue.
Some glue. Okay. Start. We forgot the container. Oh, we'll go get it. Oh, yeah, we'll just use this. Right here. No. So we have to add. Hold on. Now I have to add some borax.
You guys don't have to drink some water of it.
You don't have to. Because I was thirsty. Okay. Let me just mix it up with this. One of my friends told me this is how you do it. Okay. You get put glue in your container. It doesn't have to be this. Then add a little bit of water by a time. And then mix it up. You could add food coloring. You don't have to add food coloring.
We don't have food coloring, that's why.
My mom does not use food coloring. It will kind of make.
Then just play with it for a little bit.
Yeah. But don't put the borax in with the glue because it won't work. You need to put a water and then the borax in it, because if you put the borax in, it does not make it playful. Be with it.
They tried it before.
Yeah. You see, it's not even that long. That's how you make
a glue.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe,
give us a big thumbs up,
and see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.